In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pie graph in Google Sheets. A pie chart is great when you want to show how parts contribute to a whole, like breaking down a budget, survey responses, or sales by category. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can go from raw numbers to a clean, readable chart in just a few clicks. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the top right corner of the page, click the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps menu. From there, choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once you're in Sheets, open the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to visualize. For the best results, make sure your data is organized in two columns. The first column for categories or labels, and the second column for the numbers that represent each category. Keep the header row at the top so Sheets can recognize your labels, and avoid totals or subtotals in the range you plan to chart. Pie charts work best with positive values that represent parts of a single whole. With your sheet open, go to the top menu and click Insert, then select Chart. Google Sheets will create a default chart on your sheet and open the Chart Editor panel on the right. In the Setup tab of the Chart Editor, look for the Chart Type dropdown. Open the Chart Type menu and choose Pie Chart. You'll also see variations like Donut and 3D Pie. The standard pie chart is the clearest for most situations, but feel free to pick another style if it suits your presentation. If Sheets didn't automatically select the correct data, adjust it in the Setup tab. Set the data range to include your labels and values. Turn on Use Row 1 as headers if your first row contains titles, and use Column A as labels if your first column lists categories. Make sure the value column points to your numeric data. To make your chart easier to read, switch to the Customize tab. Under Pie Chart, you can change slice colors for contrast and turn on Slice Label or set the value format to percentage so viewers can see exact portions at a glance. You can also reposition the legend to the right or bottom and edit the chart title to something descriptive and concise. When you're done, click anywhere outside the chart to view it in context. You can drag to reposition it or resize it by pulling the corners to fit your layout. And that's it. Your data is now clearly summarized in a pie chart, ready to share, present, or print.